Here's the news of the day. S.A.F.E Structure Designs has developed a 360-degree roller cradle and shoring system for the Royal Canadian Air Force's CH-147F Chinooks, enhancing fuel tank loading efficiency and safety. Milestone Aviation will purchase and lease back 2 new AW189 helicopters for Vår Energi, supporting offshore operations on the Norwegian continental shelf from 2026. EHang, JAC, and Hefei Guoxuan Holdings have partnered to establish a joint venture in Hefei, aiming to mass-produce autonomous eVTOLs and accelerate the low-altitude economy. Brazil's ANAC has approved Rotor's unmanned R-44 variant, the R-550 Sprayhawk, for commercial agricultural use, marking a global first for regulatory certification. Air Products is exiting 3 U.S. projects, including Vår Energi's S.A.F. expansion in California, citing commercial challenges and refocusing on higher-value initiatives. Yingling Aviation has completed its first Starlink installation on a Bombardier Global, providing high-speed, low-latency in-flight internet with unlimited data and no contracts. A specialized aircraft has dispersed sagebrush seeds over 8,000 acres of Mount Maurice, aiding recovery from the 2021 wildfire and restoring the natural landscape. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.